I just found more. Here's an ameristar unit. It's not running though. This is a 3-ton from 2017. It's a brand new unit. They got this on stock, so this is one of our popular air conditioners. Alright, it's a Rheem classic unit that I haven't filmed for a long time. It's a 3-ton from 2001. Okay, and right here, hold on. Right here we have a. Oh shit! There's more. What? All right, hold on. So there's definitely more right here. Oh my god. Here's a Rheem in it. It's a 2-ton from 2011. There's a bunch of old Rheem units. There's a classic X that my friend has. It's right there. Let me see if I can get that. Right there. It's too cramped to that. This one's from 1983. It's a 1.5 ton. And this one's a ruud achiever unit. Here's this ruud. But this one, these are the only 2 units that are running. The Rheem and that unit. This is a 3-ton from 2003. It's not that old at all. Right, it's a classic unit. Oh my god, let me see if I can get to that. This one's from 2006. It's a 2-ton. And this one's a really loud unit. Damn it. So my foot's always itchy. It's a 2-ton from 1993. And this Rheem is a 2-ton from 2010. Oh my god, these are all crap. And there's more right here. Apparently there's more right here. And oh, this is really quiet. There's a Goodman right here. It's a 13-seater from 2013. It's a 2.5 ton. Right here is that's a ducane. It's not that as a high efficiency, but this looks like my friend's. This is a 3-ton, 2013. Right here's another classic X unit and another Rheem classic. It's a 2-ton, 2005, and this was also 2-ton from 1993 as well. Yeah, that's a ducane. But I think that's apparently it. But I think I found more. Hold on. I think I definitely found more, but I'm not going over there. It's like a bunch of people. Right there. Yeah, let's check on this one, actually. Alright, I just found Rheem and Goodman. This one's running. The Goodman's off. This Rheem's a 4-ton, 2012. So there's a bunch of 2012 Rheems. And this Goodman, let me see if I can get to this. This is a 3-ton from 2011. Here's a GMC. It's a 2-ton, 2011. There's another classic X unit. It's a 2-ton, also from 1993. These classic X units from 1993.